White GT4 is in. This client saw the one that we did that was the chalk GT4, the one where we did the cool vinyl on the wing. Client liked it so much, he wanted to do the same thing, so here we are. Are you wrapping the whole wing in satin black too?
Yeah, whole thing satin black.
Even the end caps?
Yeah, this one we're not going to do the Porsche on top, but we're going to do the 4.0 on the sides.
Oh, very cool.
We used to do the Racers.
I'm changing it.
Dude, fucking do the...
Oh, how about just I love Teslas. I heart Tesla.
The story behind this is our client put a sticker on our shop car without us knowing, so we're doing the same thing to his car.
Tomorrow's my favorite day of the week, dude.
Why? Sunday? What is it?
It's track day. Going to the track.
Oh, it feels good, yeah. Feels good, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 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 Oh, okay. Okay.
Actually, I would put that on my car. So nice.
Doesn't it look like something you would see sitting at the track waiting for you?
Speed Vegas track day experience.
Alright guys, we are at Speed Vegas. Vinyl wrap this piece here. Normally this is white to match the body of the car, but this is now wrapped in satin black. Adds a nice little accent piece to this whole white area. This was originally white as you saw, but we wrapped this also in satin black. It looks better because it matches the struts more, and it looks more track oriented, right? Especially with the wheels being black, and the fact that it is a GT4, it is a track car. So I feel like having a black wing looks really good. But we didn't just stop there. We also added the 4.0 stickers on either ends of the wing caps in gloss black. That way it's a nice little accent color from the satin black, but it's not too in your face. It's just very subtle, which is how we like it. And plus the whole setup matches really well with the taillights and the GT4 and the Porsche badge. Overall, it's a really clean setup. Really happy with how this came out.